how to connect TapSwap to Bitget Wallet. If you want to connect TapSwap to Bitget Wallet, it is actually quite very simple to do so. Basically, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the TapSwap code game over here. And once you launch TapSwap code game, you'll see this option on the top right that says Connect Wallet. You want to simply go to this option from the very top right hand side that says Connect Wallet right there. So once you go to the Connect Wallet option, you'll find many wallet options right here. But what we want to do is go to this option that says View All Wallets from the bottom right. Over there, one of the options of the wallet is Bitget Wallet, right? So all you have to do is just click on the Bitget Wallet option right there. And once you've done that, on the next page, you would have to go ahead and then log into your Bitget account and verify it. And once you download and log into the Bitget account right from there, you'll be able to go ahead and then connect your Bitget wallet to your TapSwap. This way you'll be able to connect Bitget to TapSwap. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial. And as always, see you soon in the next video.